create a longer Instagram bio, even though the app's limit is typically 150 characters. If you're looking to add more personality to your profile, stick around. Instagram's standard bio limit is 150 characters, but there are ways to work around this if you want to include more information. Let's dive into some tricks to extend your bio effectively. One way to share more about yourself or your brand is by using story highlights. Create a series of stories that showcase different aspects of your life or business, then save them as highlights on your profile. To add a story highlight, post a story or select one from your archives. Tap on the new highlight from one of your archives and choose the story like this, and click on next and create a new highlight. Click on add. This way you can keep your bio concise but still offer detailed info through highlights. Another effective method is to use a link aggregator service like Linktree. Click on edit profile and tap on bio, and here paste Linktree's website. Also, to set up Linktree, go to Linktree's website and create an account. Add links and customize the page. Copy a Linktree URL and paste it to your Instagram bio. This way, you can provide a link to a page with all the extra details you want to share. Although Instagram limits the bio to 150 characters, you can make it visually appealing and more readable by using line breaks and emojis. This doesn't extend the character limit but helps in organizing information more effectively. So, to add line breaks, write your bio in a text editor or notes app. Here, as you can see, you can simply write it like this. Simply copy, and what you need to do is simply paste it over here. And this is how you can use line break. And that's a wrap. You now know how to effectively share more information on Instagram, even with the 150 character bio limit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.